Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can cover up a face with stickers on CapCut PC. So go to stickers and choose the cover ups sticker. You have a face to choose from, or it can be a blurry one, it could be an animal, but those are pretty much the options. I am going to choose this one. You can kind of still see her face, to be honest, here. So the cover up isn't that great. Maybe choose a different one. Let me try this bunny one, this cute bunny one. There you go. And what you're going to do is you're going to have it till the end of the video, and you're going to add in a keyframe here, and you are going to just keep on scaling it and moving it. For instance, here I'm going to scale it and move it, and then here I'm going to move it, and it's going to add a keyframe by itself. Once you've added the first keyframes, you're just going to keep doing that. Just keep on moving it and scaling it. If she goes closer, scale it bigger. If she goes further, scale it larger. Like here, I'm going to just adjust it a little bit, and you're going to keep doing that until the video is over. It is a pretty tedious project to do, so just keep that in mind, especially if there's a lot of movement in the video. If there isn't a lot of movement, it's faster than that. I'm just going to finish here because I don't want to bore you, because you just have to simply move it with her face. So this is what it should look like at the end. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!